did you catch? I think she needs help, Caroline. You run up and down the dog, you're shake the whole thing. Yeah. You good? He's napping, okay. Shh, quiet. You know, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Got them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Whoa! Ava's kids, you got 2 minutes. You have 1 minute. 30 seconds. Sorry.
12 seconds.
Yeah, because it's short here.
It's not that, it's pretty deep. 6 seconds.